Service in La Crosse
Wow.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Howard County in northeastern Iowa, southwestern Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota until 12:45 p.m. At 12:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was
That was on
located
time.
over Lime Springs, or 11 miles northwest of Cresco, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards
scared me.
include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cresco around 12:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Chester, Granger, York, Bristol, Bonaire, Cherry Grove, and County Roads at 23 and V58. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. for the following county: Fillmore, Minnesota, and Howard, Iowa. This is Noteweather Radio WXK 41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from the National
So I
Weather
got
Service
another
office
one
in
on
La Crosse,
106.9
Wisconsin.
today.
This is a summary of hazardous weather for the southeast Minnesota.